In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Wix. If you want to make your website easier to navigate, adding links between pages is one of the most useful things you can do. This is especially helpful for guiding visitors from one section of your site to another, like sending them from your home page to your services page, contact page, or about page. The good news is that Wix makes this very simple. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, go to the page and locate the element you want to turn into a link. This can be text, a button, or even an image, depending on how you want visitors to interact with your site. If you're using a button or an image, click directly on it to select it. If you're using text, highlight the specific word or phrase you want people to click. This is important because only the selected text will become linked. Next, click the link icon. On a button, this usually appears as the chain icon labeled link. For text, after highlighting the words, you will find the link option in the text settings menu. This opens the link settings window where you can choose exactly where that item should send your visitors. In the pop-up window that appears, choose Page from the menu on the left. This tells Wix that you want the link to go to another page within your website rather than to an external website, a document, or some other destination. After that, select the target page. Use the drop-down menu to choose the exact page you want people to be directed to. For example, you might choose a services page if you're promoting what you offer, a contact page if you want more inquiries, or an about page if you want visitors to learn more about your business or brand. Then set the window behavior. You can choose current window if you want visitors to stay in the same browser tab while moving through your site, which is the most common option for internal page links. Or, if needed, you can choose new window. Once everything looks right, click Done to save the link. After saving, click Preview so you can test it and make sure it works the way you expect. If the link takes you to the correct page, you're all set. Finally, hit Publish so the change goes live on your website. And that's it. Thanks for watching.